from missiontosave.com, and it's time for another Nadine West unbagging. So if you are unfamiliar with Nadine West, they are an affordable monthly clothing subscription service, and they send you your items in one of these pink envelopes. So that's why I call it an unbagging instead of an unboxing. And so I have been showing you videos of the items I get each month, so you can decide if you would like to join. I think it's a great affordable alternative to some of the other clothing programs. And be sure to watch all the way to the end, where I give you some details on how you can get $10 off your first order. So let's see what's inside my bag. The last couple months I have gotten about 11 items in my bag, and I believe this time I have 6 items. So in your bag each month you're going to get anywhere from 6 to 11 items, combination of dresses, shirts, bottoms, and accessories. So let's see what's in my first Nadine West bundle here. Oh, I dropped an earring there, I think. So the first thing I'm seeing are these leggings, and these are sort of a dressy pair of leggings. They're a heavier weight. They have a little bit of a detail on the waist there, but they are super nice weight material, so they're not going to be flimsy, you know. Sometimes I feel like I don't like wearing leggings because I kind of feel naked in them, but this seems like it's going to be a really nice weight on the leggings. And the next thing in here looks like something I'm going to love. It's this black and gray striped shirt, which will probably look great with those leggings. And look at this, I love the details. So that's another thing I love about Nadine West pieces. Quite often there is some kind of little detail. So a little strap on the neck, or like this little patch on the sleeve. So there are some really clever details. This has about a tunic length to it, and the material is always super soft on these shirts and sweaters. So I love, love, love. So far, my first 2 items I think are gonna be winners. So let's see what else is in the bag. If you have ever used Nadine West before, let me know in the comments what you think of it, what some of your favorite items are. I have some shirts that I have worn for TV segments that are really great, so those are my favorites so far. This bag is a winner altogether so far. This is a long open front cardigan. And it has a little bit, it's red, but it has a little bit of like a black fleck in it. And it has a nice slit on the side. But what you can't tell from this is it is super soft. I really do love the material in a lot of these Nadine West pieces, super soft. So I think this could even work with the shirt and pants too. So loving 3 for 3. We are 3 for 3 so far. And the next piece here is jewelry. So you can, in your style profile, when you join, you can say if you like gold or silver or a mix of both. If you like bracelets, necklaces, earrings, whatever accessory you like, you can kind of put that in your style. And I put that I like mixed metals, so I like silver and gold. And this is another, this is really great. I love this. So I don't know if you can tell, it's silver and gold. I also love all of their necklaces have like an adjustable length on them. So you can make them short or long, but I will put that on. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, like that a lot. So silver and gold on that. I also have a pair of earrings that look like they have silver and gold on them. So, ooh, loving these, okay? Love these earrings. Can you see they're silver and gold? I kind of like the big hoop idea. Okay, so I've got some really big ones on today. But you can see these are gonna be a nice size. So loving these. I think we may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 already on this bag. I am really loving this bag, okay? So my 5 items so far, I have liked them all. And so now I have my 6th item here, which is probably a dress. And it is. So we've got this beautiful wine color, and it is a t-shirt material with some stretch to it. I love that material. Again, it's super comfy. This looks like it has like a 3/4 sleeve, and it's a t-shirt dress that is sort of mid-length. It has pockets in it. We love the pockets, okay? So I have not found a dress from Nadine West that I completely love yet. They've been all just a little off for me, okay? But I think this may be one of our winners, okay? So I feel like this bag is a 6 for $6. So don't forget, like most clothing subscription companies, you only pay for what you keep. So make sure you try your items on right away, decide what you want. There is a label inside of your bag. Send back what you're not going to keep, and then you will be charged. The label has the pricing on that for what you do keep. So let's do a little try on to see what you think of the items in my bag for this month. So what was your favorite item from my Nadine West pink bag this time? Overall, I think this is one of my favorite bags as far as almost all of the pieces in the bag I'm going to be keeping. I love the mix of gold and silver in the necklace and in the earrings. These earrings are so lightweight. I love, love, love every pair of earrings I've ever gotten from Nadine West. I love. So definitely love these. The necklace and earrings were around the $14 range. So that is definitely affordable accessories. And this shirt I think is going to become one of my all-time favorite shirts. Love the little details on it. The color is perfect to go with everything, and it's so soft and comfortable. That's another thing you're gonna find out about Nadine West is the clothing is truly, truly comfortable. And these leggings that I have on with this nice little detail on them, they are a nice heavyweight legging, so I'm not feeling self-conscious or uncomfortable in them, and they're a little bit dressier than like a yoga legging. So I am definitely loving the yoga pants, the legging pants as well. And the material in this sweater is super soft, and I'm feeling a little Buckeye fever going on with this outfit, so I definitely am loving this. Again, I'm not so sure about the dress, if I have the fit quite right. I am short, and so that may be another thing that I'm running into, is just being able to find the right fit for the dresses because I'm so short. But I will say the color is beautiful. The comfort of this dress is really great. So I think this is probably one of my favorite dresses they've sent me so far. So if you are like, I love those items, I want to try Nadine West too, here's what you need to do. Go to the link that's in my description and follow the link there to join. It is a monthly subscription service, but you are going to be able to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. They're going to give you a little style profile to fill out, and then when you're done doing that, you're going to get $10 off your first shipment. And the great thing about that is you do have to pay a $9.95 fee for the shipping, but that money gets put towards any items that you purchase from your bag. So if you're a first-time buyer, that $10 credit basically lets you try this for free. So there's nothing to lose. Try Nadine West and see what comes to your first pink bag. I would love to hear what you get and what becomes a favorite in your wardrobe too. See you later, everybody. Happy savings.